Hello, we are Group 20 and we are going to show you our demo of our game Multipom. Our game works in that way that there is a server that hosts the game and then there are some clients that try to connect to the server. When the clients try to connect to the server, they get put in a lobby, and from this lobby they send a request to the server. If this request is approved, they are then able to see all the rooms that the server hosts and thus can play the game. Our server is hosted with another app called Hamachi, so we can play on each of our computer instead of just this one. Now I will start the server from this computer and host the game, and then each of my group mates sitting with their own computer can join the game by running their clients. Now I have opened the server for joining, and here we can see one of my group mates has joined, now 2 and now 3. This is a 4-player game, and thus when I run my own client as the 4th player, the game will start. Now we see the game running, and it's a classic Pong game with 4 players, and each of my group mates and myself are controlling 1 paddle each. When a player has scored 2 points, the score can be seen to the top right, the game will end. And now player 4 has achieved 2 points, and thus the game has ended. We also have a chat function, as you can see to the right, and each player can write in this. Now you can see one of my teammates who has ID 2 has sent one, another one of my group mates has sent one, and I myself can send one. I have the ID 3. And that's how a game works.
So if we wanted to talk about a bit more theoretical about the structure of our code, we've used an MVC structure model view controller, where the server side controls the model of the game, does all the calculations, while the client side gets the input from the users, sends it to the server, and then the server sends back information for the view part of the game. And I think that'll be all from us.
Yes, thank you for watching our demo. Bye bye.